you know, the iPhone has a gyroscope. Oh, please. The juice really isn't worth the squeeze on this, but we're experimenting with it. So we're at 180. So we need to be at 270. And then we're going to verify with our paint mark how accurate. That's 270. Holy shit. I mean, paint marker's 10 times easier, but it's actually kind of accurate. 270. That's 270 there. Me. So, I don't know if you can see the paint mark. Well, you know. I mean, 3. I'm actually kind of impressed. To 260. 264. Oh. That was like 258, which, yeah. So, you really, if you've seen the numbers, you got it close. There it is, 180. $175, $178, so $268.